you? Happy Tuesday night, right? Yes, it's Tuesday. So I am gonna do a pour for you guys tonight. I watched a YouTube video today of a thing called a sandwich pour. So I am gonna attempt it. Sorry, my lights are super bright and blowing me out. But I wanted to come on and show you guys this tonight. I've already pre-mixed all my paints so that you guys didn't have to wait through that. I'm just gonna stir them up. We're gonna use some pinks and some mauves and stuff like that. Let me share this to my group. There we go. Share to my VIP group. Uh-oh. Okay. Hi, Brianne. All right. So we're going to use some white. And what the sandwich pour is you put the white on the bottom, you put the colors in the middle, and then white on top again. So we'll see what we get. I've never done one of these, so I wanted to try and I wanted to share with you guys. And then we got some Paynes Grey, which is like a really deep blue. It's a super pretty color. And then we got some medium magenta. Hi, Maddie. Beautiful medium magenta. Then we got some vintage tea rose, which is like a mauve-y color. Really, really pretty. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then some rose pink. So we're gonna do, yes, I still have clothes on my website. What's there is there. I think I'm gonna start making some t-shirts and stuff and put that up on the website too. And then this is rose gold glitter paint from Rust-Oleum. So, but yeah, I still have my boutique open, and it's gonna be a two-part store. So it's gonna be like my arts and crafts that I'm making, and my paintings and my coasters and my vases and jewelry and all kinds of stuff like that. The clothes that are on the site now are what's left of my stock. And then I'm going to start probably making some t-shirts and maybe some hoodies and stuff like that. But they're gonna be made by me. So I'm just kind of trying to get things in order for that. And then that way it'll be my own personal touch. There's something about having your own personal touch in the stuff that you're selling in your stores and your boutiques that I really, I want to do that. I don't want to just buy everything that all these other boutiques are buying too, you know, and then the markup, and, you know, a lot of people think wholesale is cheap. It's not. Wholesale is not as cheap as you think it is. Hi, Christy. Hi, Candy. Okay, so are you guys ready? I'm going to get you down on the canvas, and we're going to be doing a 16 by 20. So bear with me while I try to adjust you guys down to my canvas. Okay, and hopefully, I know you guys are gonna have a little bit of shadow that way, but you guys can see, hopefully still. Can you guys see the whole canvas in frame, hopefully? Hi, Al, hi, Jeannie. Okay, so these are 5-ounce cups. For a canvas size 16 by 20, you need about 12 ounces of paint, which we're gonna have plenty. We're gonna have 15. So let's start off with, we're gonna put white in the bottom. Is that music too loud? Can you guys hear it? Let me know if you guys can hear it. I'm playing some jazz. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of white in the bottom of that cup. A little bit in the bottom of that cup. Actually, let's go up to the first line. First line in that one, first line in this one. Maybe. Yeah, we should be good. Oops, I let go of my stick. Okay, and then let's do the dark. Okay, so this is the Paynes Grey. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. It's like this really dark blue. So let's do the dark blue. Can you guys see inside my cups? Here, let me move my cups up so you guys can see what I'm doing a little bit better. Trying to make sure you guys can see everything. Okay, and we're just gonna put this color back and forth like so. Beautiful. I love this color. I was thinking about doing black, but then I was like, no, I love a dark, dark blue with pinks. It's like classic, you know? So, I wanted to tell you guys too, thank you for all commenting on my post the other day about a name for my new fawn, Great Dane. She's doing really good. We ended up naming her Gracie Lou from Gracie Lou Freebush from Miss Congeniality. I thought it was funny. Nobody else likes it. I think it's funny. One of my sons is like, I'm not calling her Gracie. I'll call her Grace. If she's on my bed, her name's Grace. So let's put in some of this magenta. I'm thinking maybe I should have used bigger cups. Too late now. Okay. Get all that pink in there. Get some more in this one. This is so relaxing and fun. Usually I listen to country music, but I put on some jazz because jazz is just kind of one of those things that's kind of relaxing to listen to. Okay, let's do this mauve-y vintage rose color. Yep, I should have done bigger cups. I'm in trouble here, guys. This is not gonna be what I wanted it to be. Why do I always do this to myself? Let's put this rose pink in the middle of this one. Crud. And I can't pour it out into another cup. Let's do this. Let's get 2 more cups. No, can't do that. See what happens when you don't plan it right. Those are the colors I wanted more of. So let's just do it this way. Gotta think fast on my feet here. Okay, I guess this isn't gonna be a sandwich pour because I did not plan this out very well. And I think what I'm gonna do is flip these and then pour white around it all. Because I was supposed to put the white on top. Hi Chris, hi Judy. It was supposed to be sandwiched between the white, which now it's not. So let's flip these. Let's flip this one, flip this one, flip this one. And then let's put some white around. And then let's put some of this pink around. I'm really bummed I did that. I should have thought about it. How are you? Get the rest of this pink out on here. Get it on my corners, because that's the hardest place to get your paint to go, is to the corners. So let's pour a little bit more of this in here. We'll get some on the corner here, and we'll get some on the other corner. All right, did this beautiful, beautiful pour last night. I was just kind of practicing, seeing what I would get on a smaller canvas, and I loved it so much that I ended up doing it on a big wooden round, and I think I'm gonna make either a clock or a table out of it. It's so gorgeous. Oh, I didn't even put on gloves, guys. I forgot my gloves. Hi, Carrie. Okay, so let's do, I'm gonna move this one, move that one, and move this one over a little bit, that one over a little bit. I think I'm gonna move the, I'm gonna pull these down that way and pull this one. Let's go this way. Put that on the corner. Let's go this way. Usually I pull towards me. Put that on the corner. So I'm gonna bring this up a little bit so you guys can see it up close. So do you guys see how there's like little cells right there? Oh, it's so pretty. That Paynes Grey just gives it like a beautiful contrast. And all those like ribbons, the glitter. Here, I'll turn it around this way and show you up close on that side. So, and if there's something you don't like, you can like tip it off. If you have enough paint to tip it off. So super pretty. Ooh, I really like that. What do you guys think? Give me some hearts if you like it. You can give me mad faces if you don't. Give me some mad faces if you don't like it. Now I'm gonna go back around. I touched all the sides right here. I need some dark. Some dark for this side. I'll just use my cup. So you just, I mean, there are some tricks to it. I know it looks super easy, and I thought, oh my gosh, that's like the most easiest thing to do, and this isn't gonna be hard. Well, let me tell you, there is some technique to this, and it is a lot more than just flipping a cup on some canvas. You do have to know how to mix your paint. You have to know consistencies and kind of how your paint's gonna react and stuff like that. So, I mean, there's a lot more to it than just flipping some paint. I'm just going around and making sure that all my edges are covered. Trying not to get myself in the paint over here. There we go. So, and then what you'll do is you'll take a popsicle stick and you'll go underneath, because there'll be lots of drips, and you want to get those off as soon as possible, because the weight of those drips will keep pulling your design off of your canvas, and you don't want that. So, and what's really neat, I don't think I posted it on my website yet, but all this paint that drips off of here will dry on this silicone mat, or on this, I have a silicone mat under here, or on this parchment paper, and then you can use it to make jewelry out of. It's like a paint skin. It's really neat. I've seen people use it to make, put it on like the tumblers and stuff like that too. It's really cool. I'll show you, hi Melanie, hi Terry. I'll show you some, where are my, here we go. I got some necklaces, got some earrings. Try not to get them dirty with my painted on fingers. So, see, here's two necklaces that I made out of the skins that come off my paintings. So there's those, and then some earrings. Here, let me set these down. Some earrings that I made. So you can make all kinds of neat things. And yeah. Oh, this is so pretty. Let's torch it again. Let's just see what, if you guys have noticed as you're watching this, you can see things changing. Like these cells are getting bigger. Things are popping up through here that weren't there before, like some of the paint colors underneath. I really like this wavy, how this waved out. Really pretty. So when I varnish this, it'll dry, and it'll dry down matte and dark. Well, not quite as matte, because I use like a special medium in it so that it dries a little glossy. And or glossier, and then I'll varnish it. Varnish or resin, whatever I decide to put on it. So let's, yeah, super pretty. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys up and say bye, because I am done with this one. So hopefully you guys liked this. That was fun. I'm not even in camera. I'm losing my mind. If you guys haven't checked out my YouTube channel yet, please do that. It's Christina Valencia Art, and if you tap on my nose, the link is in the description of this video. Go over there and subscribe. You can hit the bell to get notified when I post videos on there. I actually am trying to get a schedule together for that, but this week all the way till Friday I have videos scheduled. So every day there will be a new video on there, and you can check that out. Let me show you guys what I worked on last night, because I haven't posted this. I haven't even edited the video or anything yet, but I want to show you because it's so gorgeous. So this is the piece I did last night. It's like, it looks like the galaxy. So it's kind of hard to see, but it's got glitter and purple and blues and pinks. I think I'm gonna put resin on the top of this, and then I think I might make it a clock. So, I'm trying to get a good angle for you guys to see. So this video I still have to edit and all that stuff and get put up on my channel, but yeah, I got all kinds of pieces, you guys. And if you're interested in anything, let me know. I don't know if you guys can see, like right there, I have coasters. I make the coasters, and then they come in a set of 4. So this is one of them. Super pretty, and they're resin coated. And then I do the cork backing on them. So you can put, and they're heat resistant, so you can put heat on them and everything. So pretty cool. You can put your hot coffee, your hot tea, whatever on there. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me. I'm glad you were here. Let me know what you think down below. Give me some comments and tell me what you think. And if you are interested in any of my pieces, or you want to see some of the pieces I have, let me know. Get in the camera, Christina. You can message me on here, or you can leave a comment on one of my YouTube videos. If one of those pieces you want to get, you can email me. My email should be down in the description of that, but you'll get to see the video of your piece being made. If you want to commission a piece, you want a certain color or certain size, you can always message me, and then I can work on that as well. And I will do a video for you, so you actually get to watch the whole process of it being made, which I think is pretty cool. Makes it more like personal. You get to see what's going on. So, all right, guys, I love you. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you want, you can share this video. Make sure to go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe. You can tap my nose and click the little link above. And I love you. I'll see you guys soon. Mwah.